Ocean City, we need your help. If you've ever said we need more networking, more collaboration, and more support for local businesses, this message is for you. Okay? On June 19th, we're hosting the first ever Coastal Business Leaders Beach Bonfire networking event right here on 100th Street Beach. But this isn't really about a bonfire. It's about bringing together entrepreneurs, business owners, sales professionals, creators, and local leaders who want to help the Eastern Shore grow. There's too many small businesses that are trying to do it alone while larger companies continue taking market share from the businesses that make our community so special. That doesn't have to be our future. It doesn't have to be this way. My goal is to build something much bigger than a single event. More referrals, more partnerships, more education, more collaboration, more local success stories that we can showcase, right? If you've ever wanted a stronger business community on the Eastern Shore, this is your time to get involved. Join us on June 19th. Become a sponsor, right? Invite another business owner, because when local businesses win, the entire community wins. Comment the word bonfire below and I'll send you the details, or click the link in this post.